Hi, I'm Rachel Rose, welcome to my video. I just got my Witchcraft Emporium Yule box, so I'm going to open that. And also Mortar from Silverthorpe and Daughters sent me another mug, finished cup, because the one in my box was broken. So I'm going to open that. She said that it is slightly different, but ooh, that looks the same. Oh, cool. Yeah, no cracks in that one. Fabulous. Yeah. Oh, that's so nice of her. It came really quick as well, so fab. Yes, I want to drink some mulled cider out of that. Awesome. Okay, so this is the Witchcraft Emporium box. Happy solstice, everyone. Today's the shortest day of the year and the longest night is tonight. So from tomorrow, the days will be getting longer, which is great. Although it'll probably get colder here in the UK. It often, if we get snow, it's often after Christmas, in like February or something. So, okay, let's open this up. Alright. So I'm not going to look at the paper because I want it to be a surprise. They always pop that in there. Okay, what's this? Curse Breaker. Herbal spell mix. Herbal spell mixes are a very versatile tool and they can be used in a variety of ways. They can be added to ritual baths to boost the bath's properties, stuffed in large cotton pouches to make dream pillows, used as additional or base ingredients in spell and mojo bags, burn in fire rituals to release their energies, or simply be used as potpourri. The uses of herbal spell mixes end where your imagination does, so feel free to follow your intuition and improvise. Fab. Right, let's give it a sniff. It smells really yummy. Not quite sure what's in there. Cool. Lovely. Right. Charcoal discs for burning herbs. Always useful. What is this? Oh, that's really cool. It's a candle holder. Oh, fab. That's really nice quality as well. Oh, awesome. I don't have many candle holders for the little spell candles, and they often end up like this. A bit burned and covered in wax. But this feels like it's got a nice coating on it. Maybe it'll survive a bit better. That's beautiful. Okay, white horehound. Ooh, awesome. I think I got some horehound the other day. Maybe in my Hare's Emporium advent calendar. Awesome. I like how there's lots of different parts of the plant as well. You can see there are stalks and leaves. Fab. Okay. Ooh, new beginnings and adventures. Ooh, that's exciting. Magical oils are highly versatile and they have a lot of uses in spells and rituals. They can be used as dressing oils and be rubbed on candles during candle magic, or as anointing oils on crystals, mojo bags, talismans, amulets, jewellery and other magical tools. It is very common to use oils to anoint one's own body, either to get the oil's benefits instantly or during a spell or ritual. Since pure essential oils are highly concentrated, we suggest that you dilute them with some carrier oil before applying directly on your skin. Do not use if you are allergic to natural plant extracts. Let's give this a sniff. Oh, my nails have gone all yellow because we had a curry last night and I've just done the washing up. Smells like soft mints. Those sweets called soft mints. Oh, that's cool. So that would be good for like a new job spell. Oh, a little perfume. Sacred Sabbaths. Yeah, we had a little perfume in the last one as well, and I struggled to open them. I think it's more that I'm scared of getting it everywhere. Come on. I'm determined. Whew. That's really strong alcohol smell. Not quite sure what that smells like. It's a bit minty. A bit lemony. Well, I managed not to get it everywhere, so that's good. And luck incense. Haha. Magical loose incense blends and resin incenses are used like any other loose incense. Simply put a small amount on top of a lit charcoal. Yeah, it's nice that they're giving instructions now because they didn't used to. Awesome. I wonder what's in here. I can see some flowers. Ooh, I think there's some chamomile in that. Yeah, I can definitely smell chamomile. Nice. Luck is always appreciated. Unikites. Ooh, I like unikites. Oh, look at that. Lovely. Pretty. Fabulous. It's got some a really nice green to it. Fab. Right. And cast off evil powder. Powders are one of the most important and common tools in the hoodoo and rootwork tradition. There are 4 main ways of using them. The African influence, sprinkling the powders, especially while walking, as a form of foot track magic. Afro-Caribbean influence, blowing the powders on the air, over candles, on objects, etc. The African American influence, wearing the powders or carrying them in mojo bags. The European influence, as an ingredient or part of a spell or ritual. For more details, please see our website. Ooh. I love the feel of their powders. I think usually we get smaller bags as well. They've given us the big bags. Little badge. You're fucked. Okay. And a little pouch. Ooh, some candles. White, black and blue. And hopefully they fit in. Haha! Fab. Cool. And something quite big. Ooh, a book or a notebook. Oh, I'm excited. I'm knocking everything down. Ooh, Wand Lore, a guide for the apprentice wand maker. Wow, interesting. Ooh. Wow, fabulous. Oh, so it goes through all the different trees. That's really cool. Wow. I have a wand that I've had for years. Here. This is holly, Witchnia. And yeah. I made this when I was a baby druid. And it did hold a crystal in the end. It's got little holes from wormwood. And I used, I've forgotten what it's called. It's like a soldering iron, but it's for burning into wood. Pyro something or other. Yeah, so that's my wand. Looks a bit tatty, but I don't care. Yeah, that's really awesome. So, I think that's everything. So we got this amazing book. That's just so cool. Cast Off Evil Powder. Luck Incense. Some White Horehound. Cursebreaker Herbal Spell Mix. Sacred Sabbaths perfume. Cute little unikite. Love that. Oh, lovely. New Beginnings and Adventures oil. Fab. Really nice little spell candle holder. And some spell candles. Always useful. Charcoal discs. A badge. And I think that's everything. Unless I moved anything. No. Oh, announcement. Since we took the decision to gradually change our packaging to more eco-friendly options, we have now changed the packaging in our subscription box as well. Most of our products are now packaged only in a paper or glass option, and we have reduced our overall use of plastic by 95%. Okay. So I guess this is more paper than plastic, but I can't recycle this packaging. I don't know. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll be doing my advent calendar opening in a few minutes. So see you then. Bye bye.